Hey everybody, if you want to see how I got this simple work look today using these products, stick around. It's BeautifulBlkRican, where beauty is ageless. Thank you for stopping by. Let's get ready this morning. First, we are going to start with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is oil-free. I have already moisturized my skin using my Clinque Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. So I'm just going to work this primer in. Next, because my lips are so dry, I'm going in with the Skinfix Natural Watermelon Mint Lip Repair Balm. Next, for color correcting, we will be using the Eve Pearl Dual Salmon Concealer in medium. And I will just apply this under the dark circles under my eyes and on some of the redness in my face. And I'll work this in with a brush. Alright, and next we're going to go in with the foundation. This is the HD 4060 Dual Foundation in medium. This is from Eve Pearl. And I'm just trying to figure out where to put the dark and the light. I know, I'm a little crazy, right? Once I figure it out, we will work this product in using my Tarte foundation brush. Alright, so next we are going to go in with Pretty Vulgar. This is the Powder Room 147 Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. And this is the powder that we will use today to set our foundation. Next we'll go in with Cargo. This is Cargo Water Resistant Bronzer. This is the first time that I'm using this. And I have to say I like it. It really warmed my face up and brought some life to it. And now we're just going to go in and use the same product to try and slenderize this nose. Alright, and next we're going to take my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush and blend this in so I don't have harsh lines. And it's not just standing there waving at you. And here I'm just going in with my LA Girl Velvet Highlight Contour Stick. I'm just taking it down the middle of my nose and working it in with my finger. Alright, and for blush today we are using another Cargo product. This is the Water Resistant Blush. And I think it's a very pretty color. So we are going to work this onto the apples of our cheeks. And it looks like it says 705 2W in Bali. Next we are going in with our WetNWild highlighter. This is the Megaglow Loose Highlighting Powder. And I'm going to try very hard not to go overboard with this, but if you watch my videos, you know I love this part. So please do not call the police on me. Thank you. I will take my blending brush and blend that in. See, calm down, highlighting police. I'm doing just as I promised, blending it all in. And to set this makeup, so far we are using the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, long lasting. Oh, it says temperature control, technology oil free, paraben free. Anyway, we'll dry this up and go to the next step. Alright, and for brows today we will be using the IT Cosmetics Brow Power. This is the Universal Taupe. I can never say that word. Taupe. Anyway, we're going to see what we can do about these brows today. Bear with me because you know this is a long process. Finally, now we're going in with the Colourpop Eyeliner in black. Alright, that was easy. Next we are going in with one of my favorites, the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And we're going to make these lashes wave at the people. Alright, and for lipstick today we are going in with the Kristofer Buckle. This is Obsessed Long Wear Lipstick. This lipstick really is long wear. I love it. Alright, my lovelies, this is the final look. Pictures are coming up next. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, Beautiful Black Rican. Please remember, beauty is ageless. Be blessed, everybody. Bye-bye.